the honey pot go? Who has honey?
Bug. Pooh Bear.
Pooh Bear. Good job. Okay. Where does the soap go?
Like the bath.
Bathtub. Good job. Where does the pillow go?
Like the bed.
In the bed. Good job. Where does the spoon go?
Bowl.
Very good.
Good
Where
job, baby.
does the apples go?
Tree.
Apple tree.
Right.
Good job. Where does the kite go?
Like the wind.
With the wind. Good job. Where does Roo go?
Like the mommy.
With Kanga. Good job.
Mommy.
And where do the bees go?
Flowers.
Exactly. And the hat? Where does the hat go?
Suit.
With the coat. Good
All
job.
right.
And where does the rabbit go? What's the rabbit like?
David.
Carrots. Good job. And the dustpan? Where does the dustpan go?
Like the bed.
No, where does the dustpan go? What do you use with a dustpan? You got a clean house, you got to use a dustpan, and you use what?
No.
What's the dustpan go with?
No. What?
Point to it. You got it. Broom.
Boom.
That's
Yay!
Okay, whoop. Let's put these back. Put them back.
Good
Okay,
job, baby.
Good job. Now don't leave them. Let's look. Where does the vase go?
Like flowers.
Flowers. Good
All
job.
right.
And what goes with the rain?
We like the umbrella.
Umbrella. Good job.
All right.
And what goes with the dirt?
Stick.
Shovel. You got it.
Shovel.
Because of pick. What goes with the brush?
Like the bus.
Where do you go? Point to it. Where's it go? Comb. Good
All
job.
right, baby.
Boom.
And the hammer? Point to what the hammer gets. What's it called? Nails.
No.
Good job. And
All
the
right.
chair? Where's the chair go?
Go like us.
What's the chair go on?
Like
Point to it. Where's the chair go?
it.
Well, yeah, table, but what's that?
That's table.
That's right. Good
All
job.
right. Yay! Good
Goodbye.
job, baby.
All right.
All right.